Good morning, Nana. I thought I heard you up. Yeah. You want to get unwrapped? You don't want to be in that blanket anymore, do you? No, you don't. Nice smile. Right, there's one. There's two. A big stretch. Big stretch. Gonna put your hands up. Where are you going? Hello. Can you say hello? Can you say hello? There's a nice smile and your tongue sticking out. Good morning.